Hello friends, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Research Updates. This is the second video I am uploading. In this video, you are going to see about the Scimago Journal Rank SJR and Journal Citation Report JCR. This is going to be a live demonstration of the Scimago Journal Ranking and the Journal Citation Report. So how to find out the Scimago Journal Ranking? First we'll go with the SJR. So you can go to the Google page and you can type Scimago Journal Ranking and it takes to the page Scimago Journal and Country Rank. You can click onto that and it opens the Scimago Journal Rank web page where you can find the search details. So click onto that and you can type the name of any journal which you want to search. For example, I want to get the journal ranking of the Indian Journal of Community Medicine. So I am typing the name of the journal, Indian Journal of Community Medicine. So once you type it, click onto this search icon. As you click onto that, it takes you to the page where you have the same keywords of the journal name. So it gives me two options, Indian Journal of Community Medicine and Indian Journal of Community Health. So I want to specifically see Indian Journal of Community Medicine. So I click onto that and it shows you the entire detail of the Indian Journal of Community Medicine in the Scimago SJR web page. So here you can see the details that includes country where the journal is published, H index of the journal, subject area, category, publisher name, publication type, ISSN number, coverage, and a brief description about the scope of the journal. And the most important thing what we are looking for is the journal ranking. Here you can see year wise the journal ranking of the Indian Journal of Community Medicine. So in my previous video I told the journal ranking will be in quartiles depending on the SJR value. So here you can see in 2010 the journal ranking was Q3 quartile 3 till 2011 and 12, whereas in 2013 the journal ranking for the Indian Journal of Community Medicine was Q2 till 2015. From 2016 to 2019 it again has a quartile ranking 3 Q3. So this is how you can see or compare year wise quartile ranking of a specific journal. And this graphical presentation shows the SJR Scimago Journal ranking year wise, the value, and this graph is about the citation per document year wise, total cite and the self cite of the publications from the journal, external cites per document and cites per document of the journal, international collaboration of the papers published in the journal, citable and non-citable documents, cited and uncited documents. So all these graphs shows you the entire detail about the Indian Journal of Community Medicine. Likewise, any journal which is indexed in Scopus or under Scopus coverage, you can search in the Scimago Journal Rank web page and get the details about the ranking of that particular journal. And the most important thing is here you can see the Indian Journal of Community Medicine, the ranking detail, and the Scimago Journal Rank value for 2019. For 2020 it will not be published now, it will be published in 2021. So here you can see the quartile ranking of the journal. So it is at present under quartile ranking 3 Q3. So in my last video I just explained briefly about how this SJR value is calculated. Depending on the value, how the journal ranking is given in the quartiles. So that is about the journal ranking in the SJR web page. There is another option called as country ranking. This country ranking gives you the details about the papers published country wise. Total number of documents published, citable documents, citation, self-citation, citation per document, and the H-index country wise. So as you scroll down, you can see all the countries which has been listed out here, and you can see India is also included in that with all the details and the H-index. So that is what you can see in the country ranking. And there is another icon which is called as Viz Tools. Once you click into the Viz Tools, this will be giving the detail about the shape of the signs as a graphical presentation, subject bubble chart, world report of the documents published and citation details, journal comparison. Now we'll see one by one what is given in each of this. So when you go to the shape of signs, you click into that. It gives you a graphical presentation of the entire journal publications worldwide. So this is how you can see the journals, its distribution, its specialities, how it is shown in the worldwide regions. So that is a detail you can see in the shape of the signs. And the next is subject bubble chart. This is related to specialities and the subject wise. So when you click on to that, here you can see the subject bubble chart for any countries which you want. So I'm just typing for India and checking out, and you can select the year also. So I'm just choosing the year 2019 to 20. Here you can see the subject bubble charts. So you can see the graphical presentation of the H-index compared with the sites per document in the subject wise. So this is what you can see in the subject bubble chart. And next we go to the world report. Once you click into the world report, it takes you to the page where all the details, the documents published till date, citable documents, citations, and citations per document, everything is calculated and shown as shown in a graphical presentation, including data by country wise. So that is in the world report. And the last one is a journal comparison, which will be quite interesting. So once you click that journal comparison, any journal you want to compare its prestige, you can do the journal comparison here. For example, I want to compare an Indian Journal of Community Medicine with some other reputed journals. So once you keep searching as including or searching as many number of journals in this, it keeps on including and it shows a graphical presentation. So this is a graphical presentation of H-index in comparison, Indian Journal of Community Medicine and Lancet. Scimago journal ranking for Lancet and Indian Journal of Community Medicine. International collaboration for Lancet and Indian Journal of Community Medicine. And the sites per document for both the journals. Total sites. So that is how you can compare any number of journals about its reputation and the prestige using this tool. So that is about the comparison tool. And you have the country graph. This country graph, it shows the distribution of the indexed publication based on the country of the publishers. So this is how we can go to the SJR web page and you can get any details about a journal from this SJR web page. And next I want to show journal citation report. So for journal citation report, we go to the Web of Science. Go to Google page, type Web of Science, give search. So it shows you the various options. I'm just selecting the Web of Science Master Journal List, search. Here you have the search option where you can type the name of the journal. So for example, I just want to see the journal citation report of Journal of Anatomical Society of India. I just click that and give search option. Then automatically it displays the details of the Journal of the Anatomical Society of India. Now I want to see the entire detail of this journal. So what I do is, below that you can see the view profile page option. I click into this view profile page option. Once you click into this, since already I have the account in the Web of Science, automatically it has shown me the entire detail of this particular journal. If you do not have an account in Web of Science, please do sign in, enter the basic details. It asks you the name, surname and the mail ID, and it will be asking for a password. You can create your password and then create an account in the Web of Science. So as you sign in, then you can see the entire detail of the journal which you want to search. So here you can see the details displayed about the Journal of the Anatomical Society of India. It gives the journal detail, general information of the detail, that is issue per year, publisher details, frequency, country, language, all those are the general informations. Web of Science coverage, and this particular journal is indexed under Science Citation Index Expanded under the coverage of Web of Science. Then you can see the most important one, that is Journal Citation Report. So here you can see the Journal Citation Report gives you the impact factor of this Journal of Anatomical Society of India. In 2018 the impact factor is 0.168, whereas in 2019 this will be counted as the latest journal impact factor. So the impact factor will not be displayed in this general search. So it will be, you should have a separate subscription, that is you should have your institution subscription for viewing the latest impact factor. So for 2019 here the impact factor is not displayed. If I have an institution subscription, I can go into the journal citation reports directly and I can check out the impact factor. So journal citation reports needs subscription, so that's why I didn't enter into the journal citation report web page. I have entered into the Web of Science, and in journal master list I'm just getting the details about the journal. And this is about the peer review informations. So this is how you can check any journal which you want to send your publications. You can get the impact factor, journal citation report, peer review information, Web of Science coverage, and all the details can be accessed from this Web of Science Masters Journal List. So if you want to go back and search for another journal, just click onto this return to search results, and again you can type any journal you want. You can type that name of the journal in this box and give the search options. So that is the end of the video. So I just demonstrated the Scimago journal ranking web page and the Web of Science web page, and how to go with the impact factor, and how to check out the journal ranking in the Scimago journal rank web page. So that is all. The video is over. Please do subscribe my channel, like my video, and share it to your friends. Thank you all. We'll see you in the next video.